In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Linear with Jira step by step. This is perfect if your team uses Linear for product planning and Jira for engineering, and you want everything to stay in sync without manually copying issues back and forth. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Linear connected to Jira using a Marketplace app, and you'll know how to start the free trial and get everything set up properly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Jira in your browser and log into your account. Make sure you're logged into the Jira workspace where you want Linear to be connected. Once you're inside Jira, look toward the top navigation bar. From here, click on More. This opens up additional settings and tools available in your Jira workspace. Next, from the drop-down menu, click on Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace section, where you can discover and install integrations for Jira. Once the Marketplace page loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into the search bar and type Linear. Give it a second to load the results. In the list of available apps, look for Capybara, GitHub, Linear. This app allows you to connect Jira with Linear and manage cross-tool workflows more efficiently. Click on the app to open its details page. On the app page, you'll see information about features, pricing, and compatibility. To continue, click on Try It Free button. Jira will now guide you through the installation flow. Next, you'll be asked to review the permissions and details of the app. Take a moment to read through this so you understand what access the app will have. When you're ready, click on Review. After reviewing everything, click on Start Free Trial. This will activate the free trial and install the app into your Jira workspace. Once the installation completes, you can begin configuring the integration between Linear and Jira based on your team's workflow. Typically, this includes connecting your Linear workspace, choosing which projects or issues should sync, and defining how updates flow between the two tools. Make sure to test the integration by creating or updating an issue to confirm everything is working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Linear with Jira and started the free trial of the integration app. This setup can save your team a huge amount of time and help keep product and engineering fully aligned. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.